Welcome to Thailand, kids. Sweat dripping down the back of your neck, a cold singa in your hand, the smell of chili and fish sauce thick in the air. This is the real deal. Forget your Lonely Planet guides, forget those Instagram influencers peddling filtered sunsets. We're going deep into the heart of a country where ancient traditions meet chaotic modernity. Buckle up, because we're about to take you on a wild ride through the 10 experiences that define this captivating country. This is Thailand, unfiltered, uncompromising, and unforgettable. The Phi Phi Islands. Paradise, right? Turquoise water, those iconic limestone cliffs jutting out of the sea, beaches straight out of a postcard. Yeah, it's all that. But it's also more. It's the long-tail boats bouncing over the waves, the smell of salt and diesel, the taste of freshly grilled seafood on bamboo skewers. It's diving into those crystal-clear waters and finding yourself surrounded by a kaleidoscope of coral and fish. These islands have seen their share of troubles, but they endure. Maybe it's the resilience of nature, maybe it's the spirit of the Thai people, but there's a life force here that's hard to deny. Don't just come here to Instagram the scenery, come here to feel something real. Chiang Mai. This is where Thailand's soul resides. Nestled in the mountains of the north, this city breathes history and spirituality. Forget your mega temples, here it's all about atmosphere. The scent of incense swirling through ancient wooden structures, the chanting of monks echoing through sun-dappled courtyards. This is where you come to lose yourself. Start with Wat Phra, that Doi Suthep, perched high on a mountaintop. Yeah, it's a tourist spot, but the view will knock the wind out of you. Then get lost in the back streets. Stumble upon hidden temples with names you can't pronounce, and soak it all in. This is the Thailand that stays with you long after the tan lines have faded. Bangkok, a city of contrasts, soaring skyscrapers next to ancient temples, street food vendors hawking their wares beside Michelin-starred restaurants. It's a city that never sleeps, a sensory overload that can be exhilarating and exhausting in equal measure. You can't come to Bangkok without visiting the Grand Palace. It's a monument to Thai history and grandeur, a sprawling complex of gilded temples, ornate halls, and glittering spires. Yes, it will be crowded, but let the sheer scale of it wash over you. And then escape the crowds at Wat Phra Kaew, home to the Emerald Buddha, a tiny figure carved from jade that holds the hopes and dreams of a nation. Night falls in Thailand, and the streets come alive. The air crackles with energy, the smells of grilling meat and spices fill the air, and the sounds of laughter and bargaining create a symphony of chaos. This is where the real Thailand comes out to play. Forget your fancy restaurants. This is where you'll find the best food in Thailand. From steaming bowls of noodles to crispy fried insects, the choices are endless. Wander through the labyrinthine stalls, haggle for souvenirs, and soak up the atmosphere. This is not just about the food, it's about the experience. Need a break from the urban jungle? Head to Khao National Park. This is the real jungle, a primal landscape of towering limestone cliffs, dense rainforest, and crystal-clear lakes. This is where you come to reconnect with nature, to sweat out the toxins of modern life, and to feel truly alive. Hike through the jungle, kayak on the emerald green waters of Chiao Lan Lake, and keep your eyes peeled for monkeys, elephants, and exotic birds. This is not for the faint of heart, but the rewards are worth it. This is Thailand at its wildest and most beautiful. Chiang Rai, the Wild West of Thailand. This is where things get a little weird, a little more offbeat. Forget your traditional temples. Here you'll find structures that would make Salvador Dali blush. This is where art and spirituality collide in the most unexpected ways. Start with the White Temple, a dazzling spectacle of white concrete and mirrored glass. It's a modern masterpiece that will both mesmerize and disturb you. Then head to the Blue Temple, a riot of cobalt blue and gold, and finally, brace yourself for the Black House, a collection of dark and mysterious structures that explore the darker side of human nature. This is not your grandmother's Thailand, but it's an experience you won't soon forget. You think you know Thai food? Think again. Sure, you've had your pad thai and green curry, but there's a whole world of flavors waiting to be discovered. And what better way to do it than by getting your hands dirty in a Thai cooking class? This is where you'll learn the secrets of Thai cuisine, From the perfect balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy, to the art of pounding chilies and herbs into a fragrant paste. You'll be amazed at what you can create with your own two hands. And the best part? You get to eat your creations at the end of the class. Now that's what I call a souvenir. Okay, you've earned some downtime. Time to hit the beaches of Koh Samui. This is where you'll find your perfect stretch of sand, whether you're looking for a secluded cove or a bustling beach party. Spend your days swimming in the crystal clear waters, working on your tan, and sipping cocktails with little umbrellas in them. Indulge in a Thai massage, go snorkeling or diving, or simply relax and soak up the sun. Koh Samui has something for everyone. Just don't forget the sunscreen. Ayutthaya, a ghost town of grandeur. Once the capital of the Siamese kingdom, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is now a haunting reminder of the impermanence of power. Wandering through the ruins of temples and palaces, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, the clash of swords, the murmur of prayers. It's a humbling experience, to say the least. Rent a bicycle and explore the sprawling complex at your own pace. Marvel at the towering prangs, the crumbling Buddha statues, and the intricate details that have survived centuries of war and neglect. This is not just a history lesson. It's a meditation on the passage of time. Ready for a sensory overload? Then hop on a boat and head to the Damnoen Saduak floating market. This is where the rivers come alive with commerce. A chaotic ballet of wooden boats piled high with fruits, vegetables, spices, and souvenirs. It's a photographer's dream, a riot of colors, smells, and sounds. But it's not just a tourist trap. This is how people have been trading for centuries, a way of life that has survived modernization. So, haggle for a bargain, try some exotic fruits, and soak up the atmosphere. Just try not to fall in the water. So, there you have it, 10 experiences that will give you a taste of the real Thailand, from the spiritual to the sensational. But this is just the beginning. Thailand is a country that gets under your skin, that stays with you long after you've left its shores. From ancient temples to pristine beaches, Thailand offers a diverse array of experiences for every traveler. Which of these incredible activities will you add to your bucket list? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides and tips. Follow us on your social media handles for daily updates and travel inspiration. See you in the next adventure.